New reflective colorful DTF film.
How are you, my friends? I'm Benji from Sublistar. Welcome to our channel. Recently, we have launched a new reflective colorful DTF film. Today, we're going to test this film and see the transfer effects. Before this, we launched 6 kinds of unique transform film. If you're interested, you can watch our previous videos. If this is your first time, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, so when we post new videos, you can see them. What I'm holding is a roll of 40 cm wide reflective film. The film before printing looks like this. From this angle, you can see the colorful reflection effects, similar to the reflective heat transfer vinyl.
The transfer temperature of this reflective film is 130 to 160 degrees Celsius, and the time is 8 to 15 seconds. We turn on the heat press in advance and preheat it to 160 degrees Celsius. Set the time to 15 seconds.
Okay, let's start the test.
Load film. Start printing. 5 minutes later. Now we got a set of printed reflective film. We prepared a white t-shirt and off-white canvas bag for testing. Choose a suitable pattern and cut it out. Pre-press the t-shirt. 15 seconds. Put the film flat on the t-shirt and press it for 15 seconds. This reflective film is called peel film, so let's put it aside and wait for it to cool down. While waiting, let's transfer another canvas bag. Again, pre-press for 15 seconds before pressing. It's done. Okay, let's take the pressed t-shirt and canvas bag into the dark environment. Turn on the flashlights. We peel off the film and see the effects. Wow, amazing. You can see the unique effect like a rainbow.
If you want to elevate your printing clothes and design to a whole new level by adding a stunning reflective effect that catches the eye, this reflective DTF film is a great investment. The film's ability to reflect light creates a unique visual impact. This can make your designs appear more dynamic and vibrant.
Additionally, the film's durability is very good. Let's have a wash test. No fading or cracking. This ensures your designs to remain attractive and long-lasting, even with regular use and washing.
Well, that's all for today's videos. If you're interested in our new DTF reflective film, please let me see your likes, comments, subscriptions and shares. If you need a sample for testing, leave your contact information, or you can contact us directly at sales@sublistar.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.